Hi, welcome back to Valley News Alive. We're taking a look here in Fargo where we have clear skies and calm winds, but things are going to change as we move into tomorrow. We have a first alert weather day on Sunday, really starting around that late morning period, moving into Monday, again ending in that late morning period as another winter storm brings snow and wind, and with it more blowing snow as well, which will reduce visibilities during that Monday morning commute. But first on Sunday, we're going to see quickly rising temperatures as as wind moves in, bringing warmer temperatures, but then that snow will move in with it around midday, and that will continue into Monday. Again, wrapping up during that lunch period, maybe a little bit earlier, but we're going to continue seeing that morning snow and wind, and this time those temperatures fall pretty quickly. And on Tuesday, we're going to see colder temperatures behind this thing and calmer winds, but there is another chance of snow after that during the evening on Tuesday. So this week is a pretty active week when it comes to winter weather. But first, here in Fargo, we have clear skies, 15 degrees is our temperature. That south wind at 7 miles an hour is making it feel like it's 5 out there. Across the river in Moorhead, it's 21, so quite a bit warmer, in that satellite and radar not showing much of anything, but there are some clouds pushing into our region ahead of that snow. Now, as we move later, we're going to see those temperatures fall, but still, they're pretty warm for this time of night and this time of year. Most of us sitting in the teens, though some places off to the east are trying their best to hold on to those temperatures in the 20s. Now, as we move later on in the overnight period, we're going to continue seeing some fog start to pop up where you see those darker colors. And then as we move toward morning, that fog will start to dissipate shortly after midnight, about 1:30 here, and temperatures are going to remain fairly stable thanks to that cloud cover. But look, there's that snow moving on in. Here we are about 9:30, and already those very southwestern extreme communities are going to start to see some of those snowflakes at that point, and that's only going to continue pushing its way to the north, but not too far. This system is mostly a southern valley thing, though we could see snow as far north as Highway 200 or so. But by around 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we're going to continue seeing some pretty heavy snowfall for folks again in the south, where you see the darker blues. Those are those heavier snowfall rates. And as we continue into tomorrow or Monday morning, that morning commute could be a little iffy. Here we are about 7 o'clock, particularly for folks in the south and southwest, where we're going to see those winds pick up a little bit. Temperatures by that time will be in the 20s for most, except for out west, where those clear skies allow things to get a little bit colder, but that snow will wrap up pretty much by the lunch period. We could still see a little bit of flakes for folks down in the way south, but not much trouble there. And temperatures, again, will be pretty mild, particularly for folks in the east, hitting 30 in some places, but out to the west, quite a bit colder in Rolla, 6 degrees at that time. And we're not expecting all that much in the way of snow, but enough to make things a little troublesome, particularly down south toward Mobridge, where they could see about 4 to 8 inches, where you see those purple colors. Those darker blues, about 2 to 5, lighter blues, 1 to 3, and then places north of Highway 200 or so might not see any snow. Here in Fargo, we're looking about 1 to 3. Now, tomorrow morning, we're expecting temperatures around in the teens for most, some 20s down south, and we have a couple first alert weather days coming up, and then snow for every day the rest of the week. And then next weekend, we're looking at another system brewing. It could be a little significant. We'll keep you updated on that one.
Just hearing that, I'm snowed out, Jim.
I am too.
I'm just done.
I'm snowed in too.
Yeah. Definitely, Jim. Thank you so much.